Here at Flexfilm, we sell different thicknesses on our white scrub pads. And these are the exact same pads. One's just simply thicker than the other. I like to take these and cut them into 3 sections. I can get 3 pads out of this one. I've already cut one off this one. I would cut this one in half and I would be able to have 2 more. But I like the thickness of them. Sometimes when you're scrubbing back windows, it's cool to have a thicker pad. You can sometimes cut one of these out and attach them to the paddle scrubbers with the Velcro on the end of them. You can actually use your bulldozer, to put leverage on and get them into hard to reach places. You could just use your hand, and you can cut these into different sizes and just use them to scrub glass. These won't scratch. These won't scratch glass. This is why they're so popular, and they are abrasive. You do have to change them out every so often because they do wear out. But some people like the thicker pads. It's just fun to sometimes use a thicker one when you're doing certain jobs. I actually have started almost not using scraper blades anymore. I've almost begun to use these by themselves to prepare side windows, especially on new cars. I always feel on my hand after I scrub them really good with window cleaner or my slip solution, and if I don't feel anything that's hardened on the glass, I don't need a scraper blade. This is a really popular tool for back windows, of course, because you have defroster lines, and this is what people are using to scrub those with.